我的天哪！
啥都下。
真是。
This house hasn't been occupied for a long time. The living room and bedroom are flooded with all kinds of excess food packaging. Toilet paper is stacked as high as the toilet. Can anyone guess what's in here? Moldy takeout boxes and pots full of insect eggs. This entire windowsill is full of moldy or dried out food. Started cleaning trash from the windowsill. This rice cooker has the rice inside turned to powder. Finished cleaning the windowsill trash. Now to the living room trash. All takeout food, snack wrappers, and drink packaging. This living room took up our entire morning. This set of clothes is stuck to moldy fruit fused into one mass. Yeah, 7 years old but good for another month. Found a living creature here. The bedroom also has two strong guys clearing trash. This pig's hoof looks pretty good. Wanna try it? The bed is piled with bags of food trash. In the washing machine, clothes washed but never hung to dry. Dirty clothes wrapped in bed sheets left there. This thing. Are there insects in here? What is this? Toilet trash is pretty simple. All use toilet paper. This pile of paper, you scared yet? The guy found it easier to use his hands directly. This trash can is packed full. Trash bags filled the entire elevator. Everyone, count how many trash bags there are. Finished clearing house trash. Now to clean the stains. Everything in the fridge is frozen solid. The guy couldn't pull it out no matter how hard he tried. Finally had to use tools. Ran into crawling creatures again. Facing this situation, the fridge was cleaned separately. Wearing small gloves, started scrubbing the toilet. The inside of the toilet bowl is full of takeout food residue. Due to dumping food for so long without cleaning, it built up like this. Under the sofa, there's still trash to clear. The team leader checked with a flashlight. The light helped spot details better. Sprayed disinfectant mist. The fridge was disinfected.
오! 桃子！
The house of an old man living alone. Kitchen and toilet walls covered in a layer of black grime. Bed and bedside table caked with 2 centimeters of dirt. The old man was also a calligraphy lover. This balcony was where he practiced calligraphy. This cotton is stuck with rat droppings. The old man's furniture is too old. Finished cleaning the bedroom. New furniture for the old man is coming. The bedroom light bulb is broken. Had to hold a flashlight during the entire cleaning. This water purifier's been here for who knows how many years. But the sofa must be a decade old. The team's hands were tired, so they used a big shovel. Every spot moved revealed new trash. Bedroom trash done, about 7 or 8 bags. The team started hauling trash. The old man will clean himself when he returns. No need for clothes. No need to keep old furniture. Throw it all out. Help the old man replace the bedroom light bulb. And it lit up brightly. You're not seeing wrong. This floor is covered in a thick layer of grime. Looks like layers of crepes, doesn't it? The team spent 2 hours scraping this floor. The old man's new furniture arrived. The team helped install the new furniture. Old building, no elevator. Furniture was tough to carry up. Bedroom basically complete. Next is the living room. The old man used to sleep in the living room. Bed placed in the living room, very cramped space. Tea table surface sticky. Used tissues, coins, pill bottle caps. But the old man said he still wants to use this tea table. So we took the tea table to the courtyard to air out. Cleared living room trash, opened up space, then cleaned the bed. The guy's crying now. The old man's family came to help sort clothes. A pile of bedsheets and clothes had to be thrown out. Because the old man likes a hard bed. So this bedboard was kept for him. Bedboard taken to the balcony to air out. The old man's family bought new furniture. Old furniture will be completely replaced. This sofa's no exception, has to go. Spiders crawling under the sofa. No idea what else this creepy sofa's hiding. Living room floor also covered in a thick layer of black grime. Looks like chocolate crepes, right? The old man's family said he had lung disease when young. Over 20 years of poor lung health. Constant phlegm in his throat. This hardness takes 10 years to build up. The shovel's nearly worn out from scraping. Kitchen walls full of unclear grime. This falls like rain when swept. This kitchen has not just oil, but mud. The guy scraped it clean with a shovel. This little insect, you scared yet? Kitchen done. Now to the sunken table surface. Use tools to scrub every spot on the surface. This table smells like coffee, don't you think? Finally wiped clean with a disposable cloth. This washing machine probably hasn't moved since it was bought. This wall's too gross to look at. Lucky we had the team and degreaser. Otherwise, this wall wouldn't be clean. The washing machine looks reborn after cleaning. Kitchen floor clean. Now the bathroom remains. This corner's full of cat feces. The guy's not scared. Used his hands directly. After a break, the guy kept going eagerly. This house cleans up quick with scrubbing. For the guy, this toilet's a small matter. Finally, just a toilet door left. Mission accomplished. Finally, see the before and after comparison.